Sejanathan. My name is Shailen Singh Rajput, Assistant Professor in SIRT EC डिपार्टमेंट। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं सोलर सेल पे। इसमें हम पढ़ेंगे सोलर सेल क्या होता है और इसके यूज क्या है। ठीक है, सबसे पहले हमारा टॉपिक है सोलर सेल। व्हाट इज सोलर सेल? सोलर सेल इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज फोटोवोल्टाइक सेल। सोलर सेल क्या होता है? जो इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी हम यूज करते हैं वो हमारी सोलर एनर्जी को इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट करता है। इसको हम ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं, a device that convert light energy directly into electricity. The term solar cell is designed to capture energy from sunlight, whereas PV cell is referred to an unspecified light source. It is like a battery because it supplies DC power. It is not like a battery because the voltage supplied by the cell changes with change in the resistance of the load. History of solar cell. The photovoltaic effect was first recognized in 1839 by French physicist Alexander Edmond Becquerel. However, it was not until 1883 that the first solar cell was built by Charles Fritz, who coated the semiconductor selenium with an extremely thin layer of gold to form the junction. The device was only around 1% efficiency. Russell O patented the modern solar cell in 1946 US patent 2402662. Applications of solar cell. Renewable energy can be powered for remote locations. It's free, limitless, and environmental friendly. Physics of solar cell. Semiconductor material can be p-type hole carriers or n-type electrons carriers. N-type has impurities with an extra electrons phosphorus. P-type has impurity with one fewer electrons. Put them together, p-n junction. A solar cell is a very large p-n junction or a diode. Basic physics of solar cell. The holes from the p-type side diffuse to the n-type side. The electrons diffuse to the p-type side. This leaves behind charged ions, missing electrons or holes. Built-in electric field. The charged atoms create an electric field. This electric field makes it easy for current to flow in one direction but hard to flow in opposite direction. Generating charge from the sun. Light breaks silicon bond and create free electrons and holes missing electrons. Holes are positive charge built-in field separates electrons and holes. Generating charges from the sun. Connect diode to the circuit. Photocurrent goes through resistor, cause a voltage drop. Generating charge from the sun. Forward wise the diode causes a current in opposite direction, which shown in figure. If R is very small, V is very small. If V equal to 0, I FV forward wise current equal to 0, I equal to PC short circuit condition. Construction of solar cell. They are constructed by layering a special material called semiconductor into thin, flat sandwich. These are linked by electrical wires and arranged on a panel of a stiff, non-conducting material such as glass. The panel itself is called module. Modules are thin interconnected in series or parallel or both to create an array with the desired peak DC voltage and current. Encapsulate, contact grid, entire reflective coating, N-type silicon, P-type silicon, back contact. These are the basic parts of a solar cell. How solar cell work? Function number one, photo generation of charge carriers, electrons and holes in a light absorbing material. Function two, separation of the charge carriers to a conductive medium such as metal, contact or a wire in order to transmit the electricity. It supply a voltage and current to resistive load, light, battery, motor. Power equal to current into voltage. Thank you.